The Xiaomi Redmi Y2 has just launched in India, and we're pretty sure you're curious to know what comes bundled with Xiaomi's latest budget smartphone. Luckily for you, we have the box right here, so without wasting much time, let's open it up and find out. Now before we crack it open, let's take a look at what the box says. Flipping it over, we can see some basic specifications like the 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, and the gold color option. It has an AI selfie camera, a dual camera setup, a 5.99-inch display, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 SoC. There's also a very prominent Made in India stamp here too. Now let's quickly unwrap the phone, shall we? You have more specs stickered onto the phone's face. The 16 megapixel front camera with a selfie light, there's a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera setup, and an 18:9 screen with an HD plus resolution. There's that gold color on the back with a fingerprint sensor. Now let's boot it up and keep it aside for now. There's a usual quick start guide and warranty, and comes bundled with a silicone case. Not bad for a budget phone. Then there's the micro USB cable, and finally the charger, hidden under which is a SIM eject tool. That seems about it, so let's keep all that aside and let's get back to the phone. Now this model is a Redmi Y2 as we earlier mentioned, which has 3GB of RAM, and there's also a variant with 4GB of RAM available. While this one comes with a 32GB of internal storage, the 4GB RAM variant comes with 64GB of storage. Both phones have a dedicated microSD card slot that supports expandable storage of up to 256GB. Now the Redmi Y2 supports dual nano SIMs with 4G support on both SIM cards. It runs MIUI 9.5, which is based on Android Oreo 8.1, with support for full screen gestures. Swiping right from the home screen takes you to a shortcut screen with customizable widgets, similar to what we've seen on the iPhone. It has a headphone jack and an IR blaster on the top of the phone, and towards the back we have dual antenna band-like design running along the top and bottom. We also have the full review coming up for you soon, so be sure to subscribe to Gadgets 360 channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when that happens. So this was a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Y2. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.